मेट गाला वाला शाहरुख खान. अरे वेट, मेरे को स्क्रिप्ट तो बोलने दो.
जैसा वाली
अरे सुनो सुनो तो सही. अभी आंख मारना तो ज्यादा हो गया. Let's do one thing. Now let's call upon another dance team from Reva University. The team is Sayonara from Reva University. Welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Vrindavan team was pretty good, I guess. I think they have the swag of Allu Arjun and Pushpa.
Okay, so now what I'm trying to say is,
Anyways, now my friend Patel, क्या था भाई तेरा नाम? Shahrukh Patel will tell you guys about something about Samyak.
okay, let me teach you something in Kannada now.
Okay, please, please.
You tell me something that I can translate in Kannada. Tell me, come on.
Say that Samarthya is so cool.
ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
I just said that though.
ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. Yeah, tell something else now.
You tell me something.
You tell me something that you want.
You
to
tell me
convey to
something.
Your,
Guys, give me something, bro. Please.
Yes, someone suggest him something. Let me tell you. Now, if someone is driving very recklessly on the road, you're in Hebbal, stuck in the traffic.
Yeah.
Okay. And what will you tell that guy?
What?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಯ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಯಿ.
What?
You try.
Okay, let's go. You tell me once more.
Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ means इधर.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಯಾಕೆ
ಯಾಕೆ
ಸಾಯ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಸಾಯ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
मतलब इधर क्यों मर रहा है?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಯ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Hey, you leave that.
Day, one more time.
No. After
Ma'am, I deserve one more time, ma'am. Ma'am, director ma'am is saying, you tell me.
Okay. No, I can't say no to ma'am.
Yeah, exactly.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಯ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಯ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ ಸಾಯಿ.
ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ ಸಾಯಿ.
अरे इसको गुस्से में मत बोलना, वो यूटर्न लेके आ जाएगा तेरे पास.
Try Guru.
Okay.
Give me one more time.
I am driving very recklessly. Okay.
Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ shit.
Also, I only drive recklessly. I only teach you Kannada.
Tell me one more.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಯ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
Wait. Let me read it. Wait.
My goodness.
Yeah. Try it again.
Okay. I'm very bad at making motor sounds.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಯ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Yeah.
ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಾಯ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡು. You leave it. I'll teach you Kannada after 2:30 every day. You sit with me in food court.
Okay. Shahrukh Khan fan. Ma'am.
Lovely, man.
Love
Thank you so
ma'am.
much.
Love you, ma'am.
Then you must really love me, huh?
Anyways, we all know the look that Shahrukh Khan went to the Met Gala, right?
Lovely,
Oh my God.
Lovely. He was all covered in black jewels and all that. He looked like a king.
He is a king.
I mean, he is a king. You know about the South star Mohanlal?
Yeah. I am a South Indian. I am a Malayali. Any Mallus in the house? Can I have some noise? Hey, Mallus, where is the sound? Yeah. Now we are saying. How many of you are fans of Mohanlal? Yeah. I can hear some noise from the back.
I am personally a fan of Kamal Haasan.
Oh my God. Did you watch the Vikram movie? Vikram?
Oh my God, I'm in love with it.
Any of the Vijay Thalapathy fans?
Oh, that is really nice. Anyone here for Allu Arjun?
Hey,
Wait. What is that dialogue?
fire samjha kya? Oh my God. Flower samjhe kya? Fire am I? Okay, guys. Okay.
Great, that is great. Really great.
Oh my God.